Namo Namaha. Few days back, I gave a talk on Medha Suktam in the Global Yoga Summit's pre-conference. I am sharing the talk in parts here in this series on Medha Suktam. Please do watch and share your thoughts in the comments. Also kindly subscribe to my channel Tattvam. It will definitely help me in growing this channel. Also do share this with as many people as possible in order to spread knowledge. Now we will go into the mantras. So the first mantra, Om Medha Devi Jushamana na aga advishvachi bhadra sumanasya mana Tvaya jushta nudamana duruktaan brihadvadema vidathe suviraha. So this is the mantra. Now Anvaya means I have rearranged the words so that it is easy for you to understand the meaning. So here the main sentence is Medha Devi Naha Agat. That is, may Medha Devi come to us, or may Medha Devi manifest in us. And the remaining words which you see in between, they are adjectives to Medha Devi. So we'll see what these words mean. Vishwachi. So one adjective to Vishwachi is Vishwam Vedyam Anchanti Vyapnuvanti. So these meanings I have taken from the commentary. When we read the Sanskrit commentary, then only we get the actual meaning of the word. So that is why I have taken it from there. So Vishwachi means one who has pervaded the whole world. That is one adjective for Medha Devi. That is, she is nothing but consciousness, which is pervading the whole world. Then Bhadra. Bhadra means Mangalam, auspicious. And Sumanasya Mana means Sanugraha Manoyukta. She is having the mind to bless. One thing is, when you read all these mantras and try to understand, you will notice that the rishis have this attention to detail. They will not just ask, give me medha, give me intellect. What kind of wisdom, what kind of medha they want, they will specify it very beautifully. So they're not asking for just give me intellect, because if I just have intellect, I can use it in any way. I can use it to create something. I can use the intellect to create bombs and destroy also. But we don't want that kind of medha. We want medha which is very wants to do good to everyone. Sanugraha manoyukta. That kind of medha we want. And Jushamana means blessingly. Blessingly you come to us. Another very outstanding feature of our rishis and their thinking is, they always, you will see this word naha, meaning us. They will not say everywhere. They will not say give me. It is us. Even in the Gayatri mantra, dhiyo yo naha prachodayat. You ignite the dhi shakti in us. They include everyone. That is, I feel, that is the crux of Sanatana Dharma. It is, we think of all of us rather than just me. So this kind of Medha Devi come to us or manifest in us. That is what the first line says. Next, the second line is Tvaya Jushta Nudamana Duruktan Brihadvadema Vidathe Suviraha. So that the words that you see in bracket, they are inferred words. We have to make it out. It's not there in the mantra, but it is inferred. So what this is saying is, before you came to us, how were we? We were Duruktan Udamana. Duruktaha means bad words. So we were speaking bad words, finding fault in others. That kind of words we were speaking. But after you came and blessed us, how we have become? We have become Suviraha. We have become very good, energetic people, and we have become, that is, Suviraha includes this also, Shobhana Shaurya Yukta Virya Yukta Putradi Yuktaha. That is, we have become, we have good bravery, good energy, and also good children. With all this, we have become. So Suviraha, we have become Suviraha means we are having all this now after having been blessed by you. And Vidathe means in the Sabha. Vidatha is a Sabha. In the Sabha, now we are speaking Uchritam, very high level words. Before we were only scolding and finding fault with others. But now after you have come, we are speaking high words like Vedadi Mahavakyani, those Vadema. Now we are speaking that kind of words. Now the second mantra. So this you can, most of you will be able to read the mantra, so I will not read it. We'll go to the Anvaya part. So this mantra says, Tvaya Jushtaha Rishihi Bhavati, Tvaya Jushtaha Brahma Bhavati, Tvaya Jushtaha Agata Shrihi Bhavati, Tvaya Jushtaha Chitram Vasu Vindate, Medhe Sa Tadrishi Tvam Naha Dravino Jushaswa. I think some of you would have already understood what the mantra is telling. Simple sentences. So it is saying, one who is blessed by you, he becomes a rishi. Who is a rishi? Darshanat Rishihi. One who sees is a rishi. But everybody sees. Why he is called a rishi? Because Atindriya Darshi Rishihi. He sees things beyond what the senses can see. We perceive things only based on what our senses can perceive, but a rishi sees beyond that. So whoever is blessed by Medha Devi, or in whom Medha is manifesting, they start seeing things beyond the senses. Tvaya Jushtaha Brahma Bhavati. One who is blessed by you, he becomes the source, the Hiranyagarbha from where we all came. He becomes that. And Tvaya Jushtaha Agata Shrihi Bhavati. Shrihi is wealth. So one who is blessed by you becomes wealthy. And in the next line, they are saying what kind of wealth also. Whoever is blessed by you gets different various kinds of wealth. Chitram Vasu Vindate. So for Chitram, the commentary says Gavashva Hiranya Dhanyadikam. That is, in those days, cattle and horse were wealth, and Hiranya is gold, Dhanya grains, and etc. Different various kinds of wealth. So this kind of Medha Devi, hey Medhe, this kind of you, please come and bless us with the wealth, all these kind of wealth. So when we are praying, we should pray in a holistic way like this. Everything should be included.